Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy messy chignon hairstyle. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting and left a few pieces of hair out to frame the face. Next, we're just going to gather up the crown section of the hair and just tie this off with a clear elastic band to create a small ponytail. Next, moving on to the right hand side of the head, we're going to take all the hair from the ear upwards, bring this towards the back and again tie it off with a clear elastic band, and then just repeat this on the left hand side of the head. So you should end up with 3 small ponytails. Now we're just going to create a hole above that middle elastic band, pop your fingers through, pass the ends of the ponytail up to your fingers and pull it through the hole so you've created a twist. And then just repeat the same steps on the side ponytails. Add some texture spray to those twists. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And then all we're going to do is pinch and pull at the hair around the crown and on the top and bottom of all of those twists. Now we're going to secure those side twists to the middle one just using a few bobby pins. Split the remaining hair in half. Now I've just got a donut and cut it up to create a bit of padding, and you can shape this into an oval shape. Pop this just underneath those twists and secure it all around the outside using as many bobby pins as needed. Now take hold of the hair on the right, smooth it over to the left hand side and just pop an elastic band a few inches from the bottom. And we're just going to create another twist, so make a hole above that elastic band, pop your fingers through, grab the ends and pull it through. Add some more texture spray to these twists and then just pinch and pull at the hair to create a bit of messy texture. Now we're just going to hold this to the left hand side of the head and pin it using a couple of bobby pins. And we're just going to repeat this on the left hand side. So grab the hair, smooth it out towards the right hand side of the head, add an elastic band a few inches from the bottom, create a hole and pull your ends through to make a twist. Add a bit more texture spray and then pinch and pull at that section to really create some nice texture. Now with the ends, I'm just going to make a small hole on the right hand side and pin this to the head. Then taking those tail ends, I'm just going to wrap them around a bobby pin and tuck them inside that little hole we just made. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.